What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to change the blade on a Milwaukee band saw. This is the M12 version. As you can see, that blade has seen better days, so it's time to change it. So obviously you got to buy a set of new blades. These were the right blades for this band saw. Before we get started, safety first. Remove the battery and make sure you have on some cut resistant gloves. And before we get started, there's a latch. This latch takes the tension off your blade. Flip it over. You got these two latches here. Opens up your housing. As you see, we have slack in the blade. Blade off. You see, I got the new blade. So I installed a new blade, making sure to feed it through the guides and get it around these two wheels. Next, we need to flip the lever on the back. So it'll tighten up. Nice and snug. Close your housing. Tighten your latches. And back in action. Install your battery. Give it a test run. Make sure the blade don't fall off and get off track and misalign. There you have it, guys. Installing a new blade on a Milwaukee M12 battery powered band saw. Thanks for watching.